The 10 Best Bluetooth Alarm Clocks. If you are looking for a more personalized way to wake up every day than the traditional wind-up versions, try one of these high-tech Bluetooth alarm clocks. They offer all kinds of options and features, including the ability to select virtually any sound or music by connecting to your mobile device. Some can also display fun animations or put on a light show with color-changing LEDs. The list starts from Art Naturals Essential Oil Diffuser. Engage all your senses with the Art Naturals Essential Oil Diffuser. About $35. The aromatherapy mist will keep your room smelling pleasant and your skin feeling hydrated. And you can hook your phone up to the speaker to listen to music or pick the perfect song to wake up. No snooze feature. Automatic shut-off when water is low. But small display can be hard to read. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Wham Gras Night Light, capable of glowing in 48 colors. The Wham Gras Night Light, about $36, provides nice aesthetics along with great sound. This attractive cube design pumps out tunes from the top, and its rechargeable battery offers up to 8 hours of playing time. The light is dimmable, SD card slot for music files, but alarm volume can't be adjusted. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Divoom Time Box. The Divoom Time Box, APPX, $50, offers big technology in a compact body. It features 256 programmable RGB LEDs that project thousands of vivid colors, while providing the same luminosity as a 3-watt nightlight. The level of brightness can be adjusted to your preference. Displays social media notifications, customizable pixel art animation, but smartphone app can be buggy. Well, here is the 7th one. Anker Soundcore Wakey. The Anker Soundcore Wakey, APPX, $100, lets you set up to 15 alarms and create your own mix of sleep-inducing ambient sounds, all from an app on your phone. The display self-adjusts to the level of light in your room, and it has a wireless charging pad for Qi-compatible devices. Built-in white noise generator. Sleek minimalist design, but quite bright even on lowest setting. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Sangean RCR20. Music lovers will appreciate the Sangean RCR20, around $78, which delivers impressive bass and overall sound quality for its size. It's equipped with NFC technology for quick, one-touch pairing, and its humane wake-up system starts quietly and slowly gets louder to rouse you gently. Comes with a remote control, high-contrast LCD screen, but setup process is not intuitive. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, iHome Color. If you want a fun bedside companion, look no further than the iHome Color, APPX, $50. It's kid-friendly and packed with features, including built-in alarm tones, wake-up color modes, a microphone for hands-free calls, and an FM radio with 6 preset buttons for your favorite stations. Pairing is quick and easy. Voice echo cancellation, but small size takes up little space. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Brand stand QB Blue. If you like to charge all of your devices while you sleep, the brand stand QB Blue, around $79, might make your life easier. Built into the top are 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports, all equipped with surge protection in order to keep everything safe. Backup battery in case of blackout. Controls are simple, but snooze button is easy to hit. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Soundance Wireless. The Soundance Wireless, around $30, is capable of connecting from up to 35 feet away, is easy to pair to a device, and automatically reconnects to the last one used. The LED display shows the time, alarm setting, and battery level clearly. 2 powerful 40mm speakers. Long-lasting rechargeable battery, but available in black or red. According to reviews, the second best product is Soundfreak Sound Rise. The SoundFreak Sound Rise, about $420, allows you to save separate alarms for weekdays and weekends, and has a convenient one-button nap timer that's adjustable in 15-minute increments. You can dim the display or turn it off completely if you prefer to sleep in total darkness. Wakes you up gradually. Handsome faux wood accents, but variable snooze length of 5 to 20 minutes. Now here is our best of best the King product. Amazon Echo Spot, so much more than an alarm clock. The Amazon Echo Spot, around $129, is an Alexa-enabled device that can perform a wide variety of tasks. You can use it to check the weather forecast, create shopping and to-do lists, make hands-free calls, operate smart appliances, and more. Built-in front-facing camera, voice and app controls, but can stream music and videos.